Amazfit GTS 4 Mini are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. Amazfit GTS 4 Mini from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. If you want to updated price, another information, be sure check my description below. So, we jump the video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Amazfit GTS 4 Mini 1.65-inch AMOLED touch display. Always-on displays. Water-resistant, 50mm, IP67. Special features, 126 built-in sports modes. Connectivity, Bluetooth 5.0 BLE. SpO2 monitor, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS. Color type. Number 1. Midnight, number 2. Black, number 3. Pink, number 4, Flamingo. Waterproofing grade, 5 ATM. Button, 1 button. Battery capacity, 270 mAh. Charging method, magnetic charger. Battery life, up to 15 days. Charging duration, approximate 2 hours. Health Bio, Tracker 3.0 ppg biometric sensor. Supports blood oxygen, 2 PD plus 1 LED. Strap width, 20 mm. Weight, with strap 31.2 g.